Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Nastin Padasalai. So this video I am going to teach you how to use your answer key as well as your response sheet and how you can calculate your mark, that is a raw mark out of 200. Okay, so at this time I think you are having both your response sheet as well as answer key with you. So please try to download your response sheet. Simply you can give Control P, so that print will be giving. So have an option, there will be option of Microsoft to PDF. So click that particular thing and save a PDF copy of your response sheet. Okay, so you can you can give a check when you further, because they will be removing a link to download response sheet after October 4th. Okay, so first thing, write your question ID and write your answer ID and write NTA answer ID. Okay, so where you can find question ID means, let me tell you. So this is how your response sheet will be there. So here above question, the question ID will be there, and these are the 4 options, and for each option there will be a option ID. And here this is what the answer given, that is the answer given by the candidate. So this is the option that is you had given. Okay, so under the section your option ID, your answer, you need to put this particular ID. With regarding to NT answer ID, you will be having an answer key. In that answer key you can able to find the NTA answer key. Okay, so first collect these things and make either you can use the Excel sheet, or else you can use any A4 sheet, or else you can use your CSIR preparation notebook, so that in future you can able to have a good memory. Okay, so first write the question ID and your answer ID, then take answer sheet and just write the NT answer ID. Okay, so next thing you should tell whether you had given a correct. So both the answer, that is your answer, matching with the answer key means, then give correct. Okay, so if your answer your answer is not matching with NT answer key, just type wrong answer. Just put a, it's equivalent to putting a tick mark for correct option and putting a wrong mark for wrong option. Okay, so first you should make for each thing. So part A do separately and part B do separately and part C do separately. This is for only those options that are marked, only those questions that are selected by you. Okay, so next prepare like this. First, total number of questions you attempted in CSIR life sciences examination. So totally in part A 15 questions will be there, and from that 15 questions you should write compulsory. 20 questions will be given, and from that 20 question you need to write 15 questions. Same with regarding to part B, you need to attempt 35 questions, and with regarding to part C you need to attempt 25 questions, but a student can't able to attempt all the questions. Okay, so if you are attempted 9 questions from the 15 questions in part A, and you should write how many questions you are attempted from part B, that is out of 35 questions, and how many questions you are attempted in part C, that is how many questions you attempted out of 25. Okay, next thing, total number of questions attempted correctly. Okay, so because CSIR exam do have negative marking, so in part A among 9 questions, so now you have response sheet also, friends. So I think you will be calculating what are the questions that you are giving you had given a correct option or an answer, and what are the questions that you are getting a wrong option. So from that 9 questions you are getting 5 questions correct, and in part B you had attempted 20 questions, but in the 20 question 15 questions are given a correct answer. Okay, and from part C you had attempted 20 questions, and from that 20 questions you had attempted 16 questions that are correct. Next, total number of questions that you are attempted incorrectly. Okay, so simple, 9 minus 5 4 questions, and 20 minus 15 5 questions, and 20 minus 16 4 questions. That is in part A you are attempted 9 questions, and that 9 questions only 5 questions that you are attempted correctly, and remaining 4 questions you had attempted incorrectly, that is wrong answer. Okay, so now you need to calculate a mark for correct question, that is 5. So totally 5 questions you are given correctly, so 5 into 2, because part A and part B for each correct question you will be getting 2 mark, and part C for each correct questions you will be getting 4 mark. Okay, so 5 into 2 10 mark, 15 into 2 30 mark, and 16 into 4 64. So I am calculating 10 mark plus 30 plus 64, you are getting 104 marks. Okay, but at the same time you had given few questions that you are attempted incorrectly or wrong answer. Okay, so now you need to calculate mark for incorrect questions. Regarding to life sciences part A, if you are attempted any question wrongly means they will be reducing 0.5 mark, and part C they will be reducing 1 mark. Okay, so simply you need to calculate a mark for incorrect question, that is part A 4 mark, 4 into, so for each question they will be reducing 0.5 marks. Okay, so simply calculate a mark for incorrect question, that is 4 question you had attempted incorrectly, so 4 into 0.5 2 mark. In part B you had attempted 5 question, that is wrong, and 5 into 0.5 2.5. In part C you had attempted 4 question, that is incorrectly you had attempted 4 questions, so 4 into 1 4 marks. When you add up all the things, you will be getting 8.5 marks will be deducted as for answering a question that is incorrectly. Okay. So now how to calculate your score? Simply you need to minus, that is marks for correct question minus marks for incorrect question, that is 104 minus 8.5, you will be getting a mark 95.5 mark. That is a mark which you are getting out of 200. Okay. Sorry. At this standpoint, you can able to calculate your probable percentile score. Okay. So this is your raw mark which you will be getting an idea. So in future, I will be definitely updating you with the expected cutoff for the CSIR June 2022 examination, friends. So for which you should calculate this particular raw mark. Only then it will be beneficial at that time point. Okay. So sorry for my voice, friends. I had affected with a few infections in my throat. That's why my voice is like that. Sorry if it is disturbing for you. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching this video.